Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to this video. Today I just wanted to take you through a song of mine from my latest EP, which is Mjolo. I just wanted to show you guys how I made the beat for that song. So if you haven't listened to my latest EP, you can check it out. I've put a link in the description. So this is the whole project. Here I'm at the playlist, so it's just showcasing the arrangement and all that. So I'm just going to play some key parts. Yeah, hopefully it'll get your interest and you'll want to find out how I went about making this beat. So I'm just gonna start off with the drums so you can hear how they are. So so basically I'm gonna be showing you how I made all of this. Yeah, let's get to it. Just gonna go to channel rack. Okay, cool. So I used tremolo signal here. Also purity. So for this one I used this on the first synth downhill. It sounds something like this. I used Dirty Horse for this one, and this is the pattern. Then we're here, then going to pattern 10, we have another GMS plugin loaded in, and this one is using Diablo, and I made this pattern. Okay, then we have this pattern. Okay, then we have the next pattern. We have GMS again, and this is the pattern. Then we have our bass line and our log drum. Then we have this one. I use this custom log drum here. Then another log drum. Then we have this one. Then I'll just play them together. And we also have another bass line. Okay, now we're going to the drums, starting off with the kick. And the additional drums that we have, so it's a mixture of 3, another head, and that's about it. That's how I made this beat for Mjolo, and I'm going to play the whole beat including the vocals from the original song. If you like the video, please give it a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Mjolo is scam. Mjolo is scam. I get scam. I get scam. I get scam. Mjolo is scam. I get scam. I get scam. I get scam. I get scam. I guess Mjolo get scam. I get scam. I'll marinate about TT-bait. I get scam. I'm trying to get scam. Mjolo get scam. But I'll scam. But I'll head. I get scam. What about Mjolo about head? What about betcha about head? I'm Mjolo the scam. The pandemic. I'm Mjolo get scam. I'm Mjolo pandemic. I'm Mjolo the scam. The pandemic. I'm Mjolo pandemic. I'm Mjolo the scam. The pandemic. I'm Mjolo get scam. I'm Mjolo pandemic. I'm Mjolo the scam. The pandemic. I'm trying to get scam. I'm Mjolo pandemic. I get scared. I get scared. I guess. I get scared. I get scared. I get scared. I guess. I get scared. I get scared. I get scared. I guess. I'm Mjolo get scared. I get scared. I get scared. I get scared.